Hey everybody, I'm recording a fun little video for you today. So I got, well, I guess I'll preface this. I got Tekken 5 going on the PS2 emulator. The videos won't show up until July because I'm trying to space things out. I'm trying to fit into a schedule, like Mondays, Fridays, and then anything that's like spur of the moment fun comedy or in between will happen like in between either like Wednesdays or Sundays, like maybe today. Um, but yeah, so I've been getting into fighting games recently. Well, I should probably take that back. I've been a fan of fighting games as long as I can remember, but the I'm so familiar with playing them, either at arcades, pizzerias. Oh God, this is something I could. You have to forgive me. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't get my sleeping schedule's fucked, but yeah. So like things like Capcom versus SNK, Marvel versus Capcom 1, 2, the X-Men fighting games. We used to have that in Dos Palos. We used to have even there was a video store that had a Marvel versus Capcom 1 in the middle of the store while you're looking for VHS tapes, and that place went out of business. And then you had Taco Grotto, which also used to have King of Fighters 2001 and Metal Slug. They got rid of that. The laundry mat here had Marvel vs. Capcom 2. Forgive me, I'm sorry. They had Marvel vs. Capcom 2 and fucking Super Sidekicks too, for SNK. So, yeah, I'm not a stranger to fighting games. I've grown up on the Street Fighters and the Fatal Furies and the Art of Fightings and the Merced has a really cool arcade. But and that actually, funny story about that. I'll probably bring that up another time. But that one actually has a multi-cart even with bootlegs. That one has like the King of Fighters ROM hack of Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. But enough about that. We're getting too way off topic. So I'm making this video just to kind of say, hey, I got Tekken 7. And now I've played Tekken for years. I used to play it at KB Toys. Here we go again with me in the history again. You can fast forward this shit if you want. But yeah, so okay, so I got Tekken 5 and playing with that. I'm just going like playing that into completion, and it kind of reinvigorated my spirit into playing these games. It's taken me a little while to adjust to them because I'm not. Again, I've played Tekken 1 on the PlayStation 1 many years ago, but then like things like 3 and 5 and maybe Tag Tournament and like 7 or whatever, like at arcades, um, or the shopping mall arcade. And so I've not played on the PS controller, so I'm kind of getting used to it. I'm not. If you're looking for like a Max Dude style, or not Max, or just anybody who's like into like who are fucking beasts at these games, you're not gonna get that here. I am not the best in any stretch. In fact, I just got my ass handed to me in the treasure mode, so I could take a few L's. I'm not a sour grapes guy, but if you're looking for somebody who could fucking magically do Geese Howard's, you know, special the Raging Storm shit I'm taking 7, you're not gonna get that here. But okay, so what is this video about? Okay, well, this is I'm going to be showing some highlights. Yeah, if it sounds like I'm a little defeated, I'm still kind of like, I'm beating myself up maybe way too much. I'm just kind of like, you'll probably see why. Me and JR did a few sessions together, online, and this is not. We were not playing for ranks. He was just. I'm gonna call it as it says in the video title: exhibition matches, friendly sparring. All right, it's just like me practicing, trying to get a hang. For the life of me, I'm trying to find my main. It's like I got this game and I got gifted Geese Howard, and thank you JR95 by the way. We got Geese Howard and I got Akuma, but fuck my life, I cannot even pull off a Hadouken in this. Like I was able to do it in practice mode, but somehow I can't do it in. I tried it on treasure mode and I sucked at it. But yeah, please enjoy this compilation of just match. Again, keep in mind these are exhibition matches. We're not playing for competitive. It, I'd rather just watch and just have fun and try to like get a feel for it so I can practice and get better at it. And if I can't do it, then I can't do it. But this is one of those games where if I continue to suck at it and I can't improve my skill, you know, I'm open to feedback. You know, if I'm open to feedback and suggestions on how to, maybe there's a better button layout or something. If you guys want to leave a comment about there and be like, hey, try doing this, maybe mix up your strategy. I'm all ears. Like, I don't know. I'm just worried that the internet's gonna shit all over me. For it's like, oh, you know, you fucking suck, dude. You know, it's like I'm just playing for fun, dude. All right, let me just. This game was cheap when I got it, so let me buy it and just have a good time. All right. Yeah, let's see. I'm not entering any tournaments soon. Are gonna do like fighters history. That's another good game, by the way. About it. So please enjoy again exhibition matches. So we're not going for strats here. It's just like, hey, put up your dukes, show me what you got. Let's see what we can do. All right. Anyway, let me mute myself. Let me put on the kick-ass music here. I'm probably gonna get copyright struck to hell, but please enjoy and let's have a good time. All right. Again, put up your comments if you want to like throw some suggestions in on how to. Maybe button mapping would be kind of cool if you want to help out with that. I don't care. Anyway, enough said. Let's get down to business.
Get ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight.
Okay, this part, I don't know what happened here. I think this was either me pausing it mid match or something, but I don't know how this got into the into the replay. Something is kind of let's I don't know when it actually happened. Okay. Uh yeah, I don't know. Sorry about that. That actually popped up last time me and JR tried to watch this, so it's really weird. Anyway, I'll move on.
Round two. Fight. KO. Final round. Fight. You lose. Get ready for the next battle. Round one. Fight.
Yeah, about that. That's our cursed Akuma, by the way. That's our very cursed Akuma. We call him we don't actually we'll just say it's time to stop. There we go. Anyway, let's rewind that. Let's see if we can do. Sorry to take away from that. It really is time to stop. Also, we gave him a gun. You don't see that every day. Ugh. Okay, now after watching that, now I kind of know how. Okay, now I could actually just play that. It was actually just pausing that mid game. I didn't have to fast forward or anything, so yeah, alright. There we go. Today I learned. You learn something new every day.
Get ready for the next battle. Who are you? Round one. Fight.
I have to bring this up. Um, we turned king. Okay, if you need to know the context, Vinderza, one of my best friends on the server, if you've seen one of the tournaments that we had in 2K22, his wrestler, the AI the version of him that I made as a wrestler in 2K22, he kicked all of our asses in a tournament. It's up on the channel. You can go find it yourself. You might have to dig for it. It's like a tournament style match. So, yeah, that's meant to be Vinderza wearing the GNC server belt from 2K22. Just thought I'd point that out. We just made a buffed up Vinderza. Hope you like, buddy. You're the champion. All right. I just have to bring that. I'm sorry. Sorry to hold that up.
Not cool. Not cool. Lights out. Give me strength. Punish. KO. Oh my goodness. Round two. Fight. Not not cool. Not
All right, that was our little tour of Tekken 7 of just me and JR having the just sparring session. You could clearly tell, like looking back, some of them you could probably see where he let me grow. Other times you could tell where he was. Well, he'd say, "Okay, I'll step back so you could do that desperation move." So yeah, we were working together in tandem. These weren't like competitive fights, and you know, he was letting me like just practice. It wasn't for strats or skill point. We were just having a good time. That's all that matters, and that's how the game should be played. I don't see myself playing this for rankings and all that. So anyway, thank you JR95 for letting me practice, man. I appreciate that, and I look forward to maybe we'll play again. Like if I improve my skills a little bit, maybe we can play for just to see, okay, me versus you versus Max or Samson, things like that, or just fuck around. It's like the whole reason I got this game was to play this and see the story and get caught up. Plus, I like Negan. I want to play as him and I want to customize him. you know. But yeah, okay, I'll shut the fuck up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you want to like the button, if you want to hit the like button, sure. If you want to subscribe, sure. Well, I don't give a shit. It's just like I'm not those. Okay, it's your boy. It's like, dude, or I'm not gonna do the fucking stupid face, like, oh my god, I did what, Tekken? It's like, no, dude, just, yeah, I'm not that kind of guy. Anyway, I'm gonna do some more treasure mode because I'm bored. I got nothing to do. I don't want to really draw commissions or trades right now, or whatever. So, all right, I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.